Okay, so my camera is having a problem, although it has a new batteries, but it's turning on, but it's showing battery low, and then it's turning off. Although we have new batteries, I tried all the new batteries, alright, but it is still turning off. So we are going to open it up and see. I'm suspecting some weak capacitors and something like that might be causing it, so we have to open it up to see what's wrong with it.